Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we are breaking down a powerful framework called Merrill's First Principles of Instruction. Think of it not as another complicated theory, but as a simple 5-ingredient recipe for creating lessons that truly stick. The core idea is that people learn best when they are solving real-world problems. Let's walk through the 5 ingredients. Number 1, problem-centered. Start with a problem. Instead of starting with facts, starting with a task your student will recognize from their lives. The learning then becomes the tool they need to solve it. Instead of, today we are learning about calculating area and perimeter, try this. Your parents are buying a new carpet for your bedroom. How do you figure out how much carpet to buy so they don't get the wrong size and waste money? Suddenly, math is not abstract, it is the key to solving a real puzzle. Number 2, activation. Connect to what they already know. Before introducing new information, tap into your students' existing brain files. This builds a foundation and makes the new content feel familiar. Instead of launching into a lesson on storytelling structure, try this. Ask, what's your favorite movie or video game? What happened at the beginning that got you hooked? What was the big challenge the hero faced? You have just activated their innate understanding of plot and conflict before ever using the terms. Number 3, demonstration. Show them how it's done. This is where you, the expert, model the skill. But don't just show the step, show the thinking behind the steps. Instead of handing out a rubric for a good science project hypothesis, try this. Think aloud as you demonstrate. I notice my tomato plant is wilting. I wonder if it is because of lack of sunlight or a lack of water. I think I will test sunlight. So my hypothesis will be, if a tomato plant gets less sunlight, then it will grow more slowly. See how I made a specific testable guess. That's our goal. Number 4, application. Let them try. This is the most crucial step. Learning is not a spectator sport. Students must roll up their sleeves and use the new skills themselves, and they need feedback to improve. Instead of just lecturing on how to identify a primary source in history, try this. Give students a few short documents about a historical event, a soldier's diary entry, a textbook summary, and a political cartoon. Then say, with your partner, decide which one is a primary source and explain why. The act of doing, discussing, and defending their choices solidifies the learning. Finally, integration. Make it their own. This asks, how will students take this skill out of the classroom? Help them see how it becomes a permanent part of their toolkit. Instead of ending a lesson on persuasive writing with a grade, try this. Encourage them to use their new skills. The next time you want to convince your parents, let you have a sleepover. Try using the state your reason clearly technique we practiced, or share your essay with a friend and see if it convinces them. When a skill has personal use, it's no longer just a school assignment. So what is the big takeaway? Using Merrill's principles creates deeper, more useful learning because it mirrors how we learn naturally. By tackling a challenge, seeing how it's done, trying it ourselves, and using it in our lives. So the next time you plan a lesson, use the simple checklist: problem, activation, demonstration, application, and integration. You will be designing lessons that don't just teach, they transform. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.